Hello friends, topic which we are discussing is tenses. First of all, we'll see the meaning of tenses. The meaning of tenses is time. You all know there are three main tenses, and these are present, next is yes, past, and third is future. Okay, now each tense is divided into how many parts? 4 parts. That I will write. Present has 4 parts. First is simple present. Okay. Then present continuous. Then present perfect, and last is perfect continuous. Okay, see, first of all, what we discuss? Tenses. Tenses means time, and there are 3 tenses mainly: present, past, and future. And as you all know, each tense has 4 parts. Present, this is present tense, and its 4 parts are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and perfect continuous. Okay, now same 4 are found in past also. Only you have to put the word past before all these tenses. Now for simple, I'll put the word past. Simple past. Next will be past continuous, past perfect, and fourth is past perfect continuous. I'll write here. See, very simple it is. Simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Same. Okay, now if you realize this fourth tense is a combination of second and third. This is perfect also and continuous also. Perfect also and continuous also. Fourth one. Now when we will discuss this in detail, that time I'll let you know how this is a combination. Now who will tell me about the future? Same 4 parts. In future, simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Okay, should I write? Simple it is. Simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and last is perfect continuous. Perfect, see, simple, same it is.